Today we are making a delicious and festive dessert, Jorda Shemai or sweet vermicelli dessert. This traditional treat is rich, aromatic and packed with flavors. Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Let's get started. First take 250 gram vermicelli and break it into small pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Add 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf for fragrance. Add 1/4 cup mixed dry fruits and 2 tablespoon raisin. Roast in low heat for 30 seconds until slightly golden. Add the broken vermicelli and roast on low heat. For extra flavor, soak the dry fruits in warm milk before adding them. Vermicelli is over 700 years old. It originated in Italy but became a favorite in Asia and Middle East. Stir continuously and roast for 5 to 6 minutes until the color changes to golden brown. Add 1 cup sugar and mix well. Pour in 1½ cup milk and stir. If you want a richer taste, use full fat milk and replace sugar with condensed milk. For a healthier version, use jaggery instead of sugar for natural sweetness. Jorda Shemai is a must-have in South Asian celebration. It's especially popular during Eid and festive gatherings. Cook on low heat for 7 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add a few drops of orange food color for a vibrant look. Make it more indulgent by topping with khoya or grated paneer. Love a nutty texture, toast some almonds and pistachios for an extra crunch. This Jorda Shemai is so flavorful, aromatic and easy to make. Perfect for any celebration. Try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.